Linda and Blake were best friends who loved to spend time together in their sunny little town of Maplewood. One warm Saturday morning, Linda had an idea. "Blake," she said excitedly, "let's open a lemonade stand." Blake's eyes widened. "Yes, we can sell lemonade and maybe make some money for our favorite toys." The two friends ran to Blake's backyard and started planning. Step 1. Counting money. Linda and Blake dug through their piggy banks. "I have $5, Linda said, jingling the coins. "I have $3, Blake added, holding up his coins. "That's $8 total, said Linda. "We can use it to buy lemons, sugar, and cups." Blake nodded. "We need to plan carefully so we don't spend too much." Step 2. Making a budget. Linda pulled out a piece of paper. "Let's write down what we need and how much it costs." Lemons, $4 sugar, $2 cups, $1. "That's $7 total," Blake said. "We have $8. That means we'll have $1 left for savings." Linda smiled. "Exactly. This is called a budget, planning how to spend money wisely so we have enough for what we need and even a little extra." Step 3. Shopping smart. Linda and Blake went to the store. Blake wanted to buy candy too, but Linda reminded him, "Remember our budget. We only have $1 left after buying lemonade supplies." Blake thought for a moment. "Okay, maybe we can save the candy for later." They bought the lemons, sugar, and cups and came back ready to squeeze lemonade. Step 4. Selling lemonade. They set up a colourful stand and made a bright sign, "Linda and Blake's Lemonade, 50c a cup." Neighbours started stopping by. People loved the lemonade and smiled at the cheerful friends. By the end of the day, they had sold 16 cups. 16 times 50 cents, that's 8, Blake exclaimed. Linda counted carefully. "Yes, we made $8 and we only spent $7 on supplies. That means we earned $1. Blake jumped. "We can save it or spend a little and still save some." Step 5. Learning about saving and spending. Linda pulled out a small jar. "Let's put half of our earnings in the savings jar and half we can spend on something small we both enjoy." Blake nodded. "So $0.50 goes to savings and $0.50 we can share for a treat." They decided to buy a small toy for both of them and put the rest in savings for their next adventure. The lesson learned. As the sun set, Linda smiled. "Budgeting is really just planning. We thought about what we needed, spent carefully, and saved some too. That way we could have fun and be responsible." Blake nodded, holding his toy. "I like having a plan. It makes spending money less scary and more fun." And from that day on, Linda and Blake not only loved lemonade, but they also loved their smart money plan, ready for the next big adventure. Moral of the story: 1. Budgeting helps you plan how to spend money wisely. 2. Saving a little while spending a little makes money fun and responsible. 3. Smart choices let you enjoy treats and prepare for future needs. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.